Tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike, please.
2019 Kawasaki Ninja
Ah, so is this, how long you've been riding?
Little over 2 years.
Is this your first bike? Bike number what?
This is bike number 2.
Bike number 2.
Actually, bike number 3.
Bike number 3. Did you buy this brand new or used? Brand new?
Yeah.
All right. What's your plan with the bike? You gonna keep it for a while? You gonna trade it in for something different?
I'm gonna keep this one for a while.
What's your riding style? Highway, twisties, or what?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. What do you prefer? You have any preference? You like speed more? Do you like the curves? You know?
Nah, I like to chill.
You like to chill.
Yeah, I like to chill.
You like to chill.
I like this guy.
And I like this guy.
Yeah.
You know.
I just got humble.
You know. The bike looks really good. Have you done any work to it?
Yeah, I have.
Did you do it yourself, or did you have somebody else do it?
Well, I had my exhaust done at the dealership.
At a dealership, okay.
Yeah, and so everything on this bike has been touched. I've changed virtually everything. I've changed my grips.
Yeah.
I've changed my
Yeah, I see all the changes you've done, and the color scheme. It's like looking very good.
Yeah.
You know.
And
I see you did a tail tidy too. So.
Yeah, and this year I changed the tire size. My rear tire size. I went up.
Oh, you did?
I went wider a little bit.
Why did you do that? For the users? What was your reasoning?
More stability.
More stability.
You know, I can lean a lot more with it now.
Okay. So you did see a difference when you did it? That's what I wanted to know. If you saw a difference, you know what I mean?
I also changed my chain and sprocket.
Okay.
I went up one in the front and down one in the rear.
Down one in the rear. Okay.
Yeah.
That's usually okay. You did it that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Good, good, good. Is this your first time here at this event?
No.
No?
This is my second season.
Second season?
Yeah.
Good. So you're a pro at this event. Good.
Yeah.
You know, I like the green styling that's matching, by the way.
Yeah.
You know, so I think it's for the purpose, right?
Exactly.
Good, good, good. Well, nice to meet you, sir.
All right.
Thank you.